To trace merge sort on paper, it works something like this. So we have our initial array, then we're going to divide it into two. Then we divide those into two. Then we divide those. And this process happens recursively, and so this part is the log n part of the algorithm. It's the division phase. Then what happens next is the merge phase, and we merge the sorted arrays together. And we have got sorted arrays because 9 all by itself is a sorted array. 4 all by itself is a sorted array. So now what we're going to do is we're going to merge these two sorted arrays together into a new sorted array. So for this, when they merge together into a new sorted array, they'll look like that. 5 and 2 will switch, 6 and 7. There we go. So now we have 4 sorted arrays. So these two sorted arrays are now going to merge in sorted order. So we'll have 1, then we'll have 3, then we'll have 4, then we'll have 9, and we have a sorted array. So now these two sorted arrays are going to merge in sorted order, which isn't very exciting. They just come together. All right, so now we're going to merge these two arrays into sorted order. So first we'll have 1, then we'll have 2, then we'll have 3, then we'll have 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. And that is how you would write it down on paper. When you're writing, please don't forget to put in the boxes and the lines. That makes it really clear what's happening when you're sorting. So merge sort would work like this. First, what we're going to do is we're going to divide our array in half. Then what we're going to do is we're going to divide our arrays in half again. Then these ones still need to be divided, that one's fine. And these ones still need to be divided, and that one's fine. So now we have 6 separate arrays. We have an array, an array, an array, an array, all the way down. And each array is sorted, because 4 all by itself is sorted. It must be in order, there's only one thing. 9 must be in order because there's only one thing. 1 must be in order in its own array because there's only one thing. So then what happens is we start merging them back together. So if you recall, these two arrays were together, so we're going to merge them back in sorted order. Not much happens in that case. Over here, we're going to merge them together, and we have to swap them to make sure that they're in sorted order. Now they are merged together. Now what happens is we're going to merge in the 1 with the 4 and the 9, and so when we merge it together, we maintain our sorted order. And now what happens is we're going to merge in our 3. So now we have 2 sorted arrays. Now we're going to merge them together. So we're going to have 1 and then 3 and then 9 and then 4 and then 7 and 8. And now that is merged. So merge sort has 2 pieces. The first part where we divide is log n, and the second part where we merge it back together is order n.